Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your online sales with Shopify. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To recover your online sales with Shopify, start by analyzing your store's data. Access your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the analytics section. Review your sales reports and identify trends in customer behavior. Look for high cart abandonment rates which indicate potential issues. Next, enhance your product pages for better engagement. Ensure that product descriptions are clear and enticing. Use high-quality images showcasing your products from multiple angles. Implement customer reviews to build trust and credibility. Now, set up automated email recovery campaigns. Go to the Shopify App Store and explore apps designed for cart recovery. Select an app that integrates seamlessly with your store. Configure the app settings to send follow-up emails to customers who abandon their carts. Craft compelling email content to encourage customers to return and complete their purchases. Consider adding incentives like discounts or free shipping in these emails. Next, optimize your checkout process for ease of use. Reduce the number of steps required to complete a purchase. Offer a guest checkout option to eliminate unnecessary barriers. Ensure that your payment options are varied and secure. Additionally, utilize retargeting ads to remind potential customers about their abandoned carts. Connect your store with Facebook or Google Ads for targeted advertising. Create engaging ads that lead back to the specific products customers viewed. Monitor your ad performance to see which ads yield the best results. Finally, analyze your results regularly. Keep track of your sales data after implementing these strategies. Adjust your tactics based on what works best for your audience. By following these steps, you can effectively recover your online sales with Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.